Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start with the right foundation. In this video, I will explain how to make a normal cake. First, ensure all your ingredients like butter, eggs, and milk are at room temperature. This helps them combine better. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius to ensure even baking. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Achieving a perfect cake texture starts with proper mixing. Begin by creaming together your softened butter and granulated sugar for about 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture is light and fluffy. Then, incorporate eggs one by one, ensuring each is fully mixed before adding the next. Finally, alternate adding your dry and wet ingredients, starting and ending with the dry to prevent overmixing. Now it's time for the magic to happen in the oven. Carefully pour your well-mixed batter into a greased and floured 9-inch round cake pan or 2 8-inch pans for layers. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, your cake is perfectly baked and ready for cooling. Patience is key for the final steps to a delicious cake. After baking, allow your cake to cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps it firm up before you attempt to remove it. Then, carefully invert the cake onto a wire rack to cool completely. Once fully cooled, it's ready for your favorite frosting, adding that delightful finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.